you have transitioned from a testing team to a business analyst.
Yes. So the role that I was into earlier, so I was at the client end where we got our things made, and then we used to just test whether things are working as expected from a client end or not. So now when I started this business analysis journey again, so we were into more on the other side, wherein we were getting things developed as the requirements were. So yes, that though it really did help me on whatever I did earlier, but yes, this journey of these certifications and how we could go about getting the requirements right from the client, so all this has really helped me a lot. Yes.
Okay. And did you face any challenges? Because testing is, I can say that there are a few things which overlap with the business analyst role, but not everything. So did you face any challenge in that?
Uh, Challenges, as in not really, to be very honest, because interacting with the client, I have been in completely on that role. So that was not a big challenge for me. Definitely, the specific domain which our organization uses, so that was a bit technical, yes, and that did take me some time. And right, such domains which they create, they are specific to those industries. So that was, yes, a challenge that has been a learning curve for me, and I'm still learning, but not really how I should go about my job role. So that has not been a challenge at all, to be very honest, because interacting with customers, I that's my that's my area, so that was not an issue at all.